In this video, I will tell you about APA referencing in essay or thesis or research paper. I have already told you about APA format or referencing. Now I am going to tell you how you can write your paper or essay in APA format. So for this, you have to press here on centered, write your topic, for example, developmental issues. This is your topic. Write your name here. Write your professor name. Write course and also write date. This is the format of your title page. And on the next pages, you will start your thesis or essay from here. And for this, you will write your title in capital words here. First of all, put page number on the top of pages. Now write your topic. It should be in all capital words. You can select from here uppercase words. Developmental issues. Sorry, they should all be capital. C. In this way, your title should be on top of, or you can say header of your page, on every page. Then if you have written any paragraph, for example, I am just going to write a paragraph. So now every paragraph should be indented. You can go here, then click on special, click on first line. It should be 0.5 inches and spacing should be double. C. Every paragraph should start from 0.5 ident on your board. And similarly, on the last page, you have to write your references like this. Works cited, and if you use Mendeley, then simply click the insert bibliography. All your sources will appear here. And if you have used Microsoft Word on engine for the referencing, then select here APA, insert all the citations and click here on the bibliography. You can see works cited option here. It should be centered. So this is a general format for an essay or research paper or thesis in APA format. Thank you.